How to make money on Blum crypto airdrop. How to make money on Blum crypto airdrop. That is exactly what I'm talking to you about in this video. Cryptocurrency airdrops have become a popular way to earn free crypto, and the Blum crypto airdrop is no different. Airdrops gives you an opportunity to get tokens for free by simply performing specific tasks or holding certain assets. In this video, I will explain how to take part in the Blum airdrop and maximize your earnings, even if you are new to the world of crypto. What is a crypto airdrop? Quickly, I will tell you what a crypto airdrop means, and then we'll go into what we are talking about today. A crypto airdrop is a marketing strategy used by blockchain projects to distribute free tokens to their community or participants in order to raise awareness and promote their projects. Airdrops can range from small rewards to large token distributions, depending on the project and task you complete. Blum is a new blockchain project. Is offering an airdrop to expand its community and get more people interested in its token. This is your chance to grab some free Blum tokens, which may increase in value as the project grows. How to participate in the Blum crypto airdrop. Participating in the Blum crypto airdrop is easy and can be done by following a few simple steps. Here is a guide on how to claim your free Blum tokens. Step number 1, sign up for a Blum account. So to get started, you need to create an account on the Blum platform. Visit the official Blum website and complete the sign-up process. Make sure to have a valid email address and secure your account with a strong password. Step 2, complete airdrop tasks. Blum will require you to complete specific tasks to qualify for the airdrop. These tasks may include following Blum on social media platforms, Twitter, Telegram, and even Instagram, retweeting posts or sharing specific content, joining Blum's Telegram community and staying active in discussions. Refer friends to the Blum platform using your unique referral link. These tasks are simple and don't require any advanced knowledge of crypto. By completing these tasks, you earn free Blum tokens that will be credited to your account. Step number 3, hold tokens to trade them. Once you receive your Blum tokens from the airdrops, you can hold onto them and wait for the token's value to increase or trade them on an exchange once the token gets listed. Holding the tokens can be a great strategy if you believe the project will grow and the token's value will rise in the future. Many airdrop participants have seen significant returns when tokens they earned for free become valuable over time. Maximizing your earnings from Blum airdrop. Here are some tips to ensure you make the most out of the Blum crypto airdrop. Complete all tasks thoroughly. To get the maximum number of tokens, make sure you complete all the tasks associated with the airdrop. Sometimes missing one task could mean receiving fewer tokens or being disqualified from the airdrop altogether. Leverage referrals. Referring others to the Blum platform can increase your token reward. Many airdrop programs offer bonuses for each friend you refer. Encourage your network to join the airdrop and earn extra tokens for every referral. Honestly, I've been teaching people how to make money online and offline for a long time. And this crypto airdrop has given me the opportunity to help people to make money without spending money or without putting money into it. So, I'll leave the link to Blum to join Blum in the description section of this video. Go ahead, click the link and join Blum today, and let's make this money together. Step number 3 on how to make more money on Blum is to stay updated on Blum's progress. Follow Blum on their social media channels and stay active in the community. This way, you can be among the first to know when the token will be listed on exchanges, how the project is developing, and their potential future opportunities for earning more tokens. For example, information now has it that Blum is going to list in November, and this is October. So you have more than 30 days to join Blum and to also take part in Blum and get some tokens. Hold for the long term. If the Blum token is part of a promising project, holding on to your airdrop tokens could lead to significant profits. Many airdrop tokens that started with little value have seen massive price increases over time. Patience can pay off when it comes to holding crypto tokens. Why airdrops like Blum are profitable? Airdrops are not only an easy way to earn free crypto, but they are also often linked to projects that have the potential to grow in value. Here is why participating in the Blum airdrop could lead to profits. Number 1 is low risk. You don't need to invest any money to participate in an airdrop, making it a risk-free way to earn crypto. Community growth. As the Blum project gains more users and partners, the token's value could increase, benefiting those who got in early through the airdrop. Early access. Airdrops often give participants early access to tokens before they are listed on exchanges. This early access can lead to huge profits if the token price rises after being listed. Participating in the Blum crypto airdrop is a simple and effective way to earn free cryptocurrency. By completing a few tasks and referring friends, you can receive Blum tokens, which may increase in value as the project progresses. So this is where I'm going to stop for now. But before then, I want to make a giveaway. I recently crossed the 5,000 subscriber count on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to give the first 5 people that drop their phone number in the description section of this, in the comment section of this video, and not just dropping their phone number, also dropping the kind of network the phone number belongs to. So if you drop your number 080 so, then also put there MTN, also put there Airtel or Glo. Please, this is really for those who live within Nigeria for now. So the first people to do that, I will send free data to them so that they can use to enjoy themselves. Since we're talking about making money without investing money, so you can use this data to start your project on Blum. So go to the description section of this video, click the link, and then you can join Blum on the go. I will talk to you in the next video. Like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe to this channel, and this next video that is popping up by the side on my channel is the next you need to watch now. Let's go.